Congratulations! You are a head mentor, and now you need to recruit and train a bunch of mentors to join you on the wonderful journey we call Young Storytellers. Though this can be daunting, there are so many ways to get them on board, and this video is going to walk you through these first steps. We've both been head mentoring for years and years and years.
Well, yeah, maybe not that long. But here, we're also going to give you tips and tricks to help you through the process.
Who are you guys talking to?
You, man.
Who?
And all the other head mentors. Me? Oh, by the way, congrats on being chosen to be a head mentor. Yeah, that's great, yeah.
I'm a little nervous.
Ow.
I'm a lot of nervous. I'm a lot of nervous.
Don't worry, Ethan. We got you. First off, it's important to start as early as possible and try to recruit from the area close to the program space.
How early is too early?
Well, even if you don't have a schedule from the school yet, you can still get interest and reach out. The first thing I would do is go online and make a flyer from the Young Storytellers portal for recruitment. You can put this up in coffee shops, libraries, cafes, schools, community centers, theaters, colleges, anywhere really.
But don't think it's all about the flyers. Call and reach out to local places to recruit. I tend to get the most feedback when I post online on social media groups. You can also get your partner liaison to reach out to parents who might be interested and talk to the PTA as well.
All right. Hey, thanks. This is all great. Should I be taking notes?
No, that's what the video is for.
Connect with everyone in your own personal network through posting and emailing. And plus, if you already have a few mentors signed up, you can have them reach out to their entire network. That's the beauty of the Young Storytellers family. The possibilities for recruitment are endless.
All right, great. So once I have my mentors, what happens next?
First, you're probably going to have mentors who can't make it to every session, and that's okay. You can find substitute mentors if you need to.
Oh, but don't forget to underline how important it is for them to attend as many sessions as possible because the kids are depending on them.
Yeah, as a rule, they shouldn't miss more than one session.
If there's any sort of onboarding or sign-up process necessary, make sure you send it to them and help them through it. Luckily, you have 4 short mentor training videos to help them learn all about being mentors.
Hey, that's us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's us.
Now you can send them the trainings and have them watch them alone or have them watch it all together. But make sure they've watched all the videos by at least a week before the first session so they can be as prepared as much as possible for the fun ahead.
Speaking of the fun ahead, make sure to send out weekly emails to your mentors a day or two before the sessions so they can know what's coming and be prepared for the day.
All right. So how much do I teach in any lessons? How much are the mentors involved?
I love to involve them in the games and lessons as much as possible, even leading them sometimes, so that they can feel included and to lighten the load from yourself.
Yeah, I agree with that. The more you can use them, the more of a community bond that you'll create.
Also, always check in with the mentors for a few minutes after the session, just to make sure that they know where they are with the story and help them talk through any difficulties they may be having with their writer. You can encourage them to send you their scripts for you to look through and give thoughts on any time once they've started their writing.
And make sure they know how much you appreciate what they are doing with the kids. I like to buy them pizza or coffee one day after a session, but that's just me.
I do game nights with them.
What about a potluck?
Oh yeah, it's a great idea. There are a million ways to show your appreciation.
In other words, be open and communicative with them and they'll do the same for you. Oh, and most importantly, encourage them to have fun. If the mentors are having fun, the writers are going to have fun.
Hey, thanks guys. This is so helpful.
You're going to be an amazing head mentor, Ethan.
Yeah. Hey man, good luck. You're gonna need it.